Knock, knock. Are you awake? Yep, spread them. Freeze! Come on. Tell the camera your name. Well, he's probably like 2.5, 3 inches. It's pretty big. I need him to act. He's on live TV. Come on. Do your stunts. What do? Do you fly or something? Let's see what you do. Show us your moves. If you're not, then let's take a look at his underside and check him out. Oh, he gripped the ground with his little crab front end. There we go. Oh. Well, he doesn't want to be upside down. And I think we need more light. We're going to try this again. His eyes are definitely open now. We're going to get up behind those first 2 legs there. It's probably going to be our better way to grip him. Let's just take a look at him. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think he was herding another bug. Actually, he was. This bug here was hiding out underneath him. Maybe they're related. But anyways, back to him. Back to you, Jim. It's pretty interesting, actually. That's some design. Oh, check him out breathing. I don't know if you can see that, but he's moving his little rib cage there. It's pretty impressive. His body goes all the way down there to the bottom of that wing. But I'm not sure if he flies. And we're not going to throw him to find out. You know, that's how I learned how to swim in the pool. Somebody just chucked me in there. Yeah, he's fully interesting. And this guy down here is definitely looking for his partner. Yeah, well, there you all go. Do what you do. I'm in the light here, so let me get out of the light so you guys can see these two relate. Well, the other one flies. Okay, he can only go to the right. They're gonna make him a NASCAR driver. Just like, who tells that? Is that Jeff Foxworthy? Or maybe that's Jeff Dunham. One of them guys, yeah. He's having a... He better not land on my neck. This guy's just massive. He reminds me of the crocodiles in Costa Rica. I don't know what they call it, but we're gonna call him the tank. So we're gonna let him lay here in peace. He's looking lazy compared to Sparky over here. Something going on with